What if one of the most extraordinary speakers in the world was not a person at all, but a bird? A bird that can listen to your voice, memorize your words, repeat your phrases with astonishing accuracy, and sometimes even seem to use them in the right moment. That bird is the parrot. For centuries, people have looked at parrots and asked the same question: how can a bird talk like this? Is it simply copying sound? Or is something deeper happening inside that bright, clever little brain? The answer is much more fascinating than simple imitation. Parrots are not human speakers. They do not produce language the way we do. But they belong to a rare group of animals called vocal learners, creatures that can hear sounds, store them, and reproduce them later. That skill is unusual in the animal kingdom, and among birds it is especially advanced in parrots. What makes parrots even more remarkable is their brain. Scientists have found that parrots possess a special vocal learning system that helps explain why they are such powerful mimics. This unique brain organization may be one of the reasons they can reproduce human speech with such precision. But parrots do not copy human words just to entertain us. In the wild, their vocal abilities serve a very important purpose. They use sounds to stay connected with their flock, recognize one another, and communicate across distance. Their calls help them survive in a social world where being heard can mean staying safe, finding others, and keeping the group together. When a parrot lives with humans, it enters a new kind of social environment. It hears people speaking every day. It listens carefully. It repeats what it hears. And because parrots are such powerful vocal learners, some of them begin to imitate human speech with astonishing skill. That is why a parrot may suddenly say a word, repeat a phrase, or even sound like it is joining the conversation. But the mystery goes even deeper. One of the most famous parrots in science was Alex, the African gray parrot. In carefully controlled experiments, Alex learned labels for objects, colors, shapes, and quantities. He showed that some parrots can do more than copy sounds. They can learn to connect certain words with meaning. That does not mean parrots understand language exactly as humans do, but it does mean their abilities are far more impressive than simple mimicry. So when a parrot says hello, it may not be asking how you are. It may be repeating a sound it learned from the human world around it. But in some cases, with training and experience, parrots can associate words with people, objects, and situations. And that is what makes them so fascinating. Parrots sit right on the border between instinct and intelligence, between sound and meaning, between imitation and understanding. The next time a parrot says your name, copies your laugh, or drops a perfect human sentence into the room, remember this: you are not just hearing a bird repeat a sound. You are witnessing one of nature's most extraordinary vocal learners at work. And that is only the beginning.